guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What I'm going to be doing is I have some arrows from the Dollar Tree, wooden arrows that I picked up at Christmas time when I made that tall sign, and I want to make an Easter DIY with that using Cricut vinyl. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and we're going to go to New Project, the circle with the plus. We're going to click on that, and I was already working on something, so I'm going to replace that. That will put us on our canvas. So now we're going to text right here, okay? Now if you go up here to the top where it says font, there's a little drop down arrow. I'm going to click on that, and that will bring up, because you'll see over here to the right at the top in green, all is highlighted. These are all the fonts that are on my computer and in Cricut Design Space. If you click on System, that's everything that's in my computer. And if you click on Cricut, and these turn green when you click on them at the top, this will just be what's in Cricut Design Space. But I usually just do all, and you can download different fonts and put them in here, and I have videos showing how to do that. But I found two that I think would be really cute. The first one is Anna's Fancy Lettering. So let me find that one. And it's the Carson, it's this one. I think that is really cute, okay? And then the next one that I found would be American Unicow. And I think they're both really cute. And this is the regular. Now with this, some of the letters you really can't tell are capitalized. Like some of them you can, but some you can't. I think I may try to do Anna's Fancy Lettering. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Then I need to type in egg. And then I'm going to space a little bit. And then I'm going to type in hunt. Okay, and now I'm going to go up. You'll see that these are both a cut layer. Now let's see what happens if we turn this eye off. If we turn this eye off, that's going to look like that. And I think, let's turn it back on and then turn this top eye off. No, we want that one on. I'm going to turn this second eye off. I think it would be easier to weed. Okay, now we're going to go to Make It, right top corner. It's going to put it onto our mat. And then we're going to hit Continue, right bottom corner. Now, the kind of vinyl that I have is the permanent frosted premium vinyl, okay? So we're going to go to Browse All Materials, and we're going to type in vinyl at this top search box. And I have the premium frosted, and I'm going to click opaque because it's a white, but when you cut it, it almost looks like it would be that, and I don't see another color, another one for this. This says this is new, okay? So I'm going to click on that. That'll put a check mark right there. I'm going to hit Done, right bottom corner. And then the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this really cute vinyl to put on our sign. Okay, here are my arrows that I'm going that I painted, and I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. I ordered mine from Dollar Tree because my Dollar Tree isn't always fully stocked with this crafter square. And you get a big box, and it comes with the thinner arrow and the wider arrow. And I've decided that I want to use this thinner one. You could use this wider one and it would be really pretty. They all have the little string that comes with them. At Christmas time, I made like a North Pole sign out of mine, and I'm still using what I have left over. But on this, I just took the Waverly chalk paint in hazelnut and painted it all over. Then I took and dry brushed the Waverly chalk paint in mineral and cashew over top of that, and it gave this really cute look. And I saw something like this at Michael's, and I thought, I bet I can remake that. Now I started to use this premium vinyl that says permanent frosted, okay? And it's really pretty. It would look like etched glass, really just on, if you put it on glass. And it was pretty, and it weeded okay, no problem, it cut okay. But I could not get it on my transfer tape, and you will need some transfer tape. So that about drove me crazy. So I'm going to be using this right here, the removable premium vinyl from Cricut in this cream. And I think that will look really pretty as well. Okay, so I have cut mine. And if you want to order from Dollar Tree, you can't find the arrows. Now they do have a pick and pack section where you can order in smaller quantities at the top where you search. But now with the arrows, you do have to get the whole box. But it's, to me, it was economical because I'm still using it. And this is not a sponsored video or anything. And I'm going to insert this by the blinking arrow, and then we'll cut it by clicking on the blinking C, okay? But I'll put the link to Top Cash back in the description box in case you want. I put them in all my videos because it is a great way to shop and make money while you're shopping online. That's how I use it every time I shop online, and I save tons of money. And like I said, it's not sponsored. It's up to you whether you want to click on it or not. But I think this is going to give us such a pretty feel. And I really wanted that frosted on here because it matched the one at Michael's. But I don't know if my transfer tape was not strong enough or what, but it turned out to be a nightmare. So as soon as this gets finished cutting, it's finished, so I'm going to hit the blinking arrow to eject it. And then we'll just weed this. Now, I didn't have any trouble weeding the other, but I just could not get it to go onto my transfer tape. Maybe my transfer tape wasn't strong enough. I don't know. It was crazy. But this is weeding nicely. And it will look really pretty on here, I think. Okay. So, now I'm just going to put my transfer tape down. And sometimes, if you have trouble getting your transfer tape loose, take your weeder tool and it will help you. Okay, and I'm just going to put this right on here, like that, and get my little scraper tool and apply this to my transfer tape. Okay, and you just peel it right off. This is doing much better. And we'll just come at a different angle. Maybe we can get it all up that way. Sometimes that's what you need to do, is just choose a different angle. Okay. And this is what we have. I think that's going to be really pretty. Then I'm just going to lay this on here where I think I want it. And I could have made that bigger, actually. Okay, and then we're just going to apply this right here. And then we'll just pull this off. I really do like this. And you can reuse your transfer tape. And I could have put it closer together. I sort of wish that I had, but you could also put an egg in between this. So maybe that's what I'll do, is put an egg in between that. Okay, what I want to do now, since I really did make my egg hunt letters too small, as I started thinking I could add some eggs in between, like an egg in between there. So I'm going to go to Images, left corner, and I'm going to type in eggs in the search box, and all this comes up. I think this would be really cute. So let me find one like I want. They have so many cute little eggs. I think this one would probably be pretty. And this is going to be a print then cut. So I'm going to click on this, put a green box around it. I'm going to go to the right bottom corner, insert images. And there that is. Now I'm going to get rid of this because, or I could have just turned the eyes off, okay? Now this is going to be a print then cut. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm just going to kind of make this to where we use these arrows to get like I think I might want it. That's like a little over an inch by a little over an inch. I think I might make that a little bit bigger. So it's like 1.105 wide and 1.675 tall. Okay, so I'm going to go to make it. I'm going to go turn my printer on and put an Avery printer label in it. Then I'm going to go to continue, right bottom corner, and I'm going to hit send to printer. I'm going to leave the bleed on and hit print. And I'm going to choose washi tape right here. Okay, and it will print out. Okay guys, here it is. I think it turned out so cute. And Maggie wanted to say hi. Say hello everyone. Say hello. Everyone's really enjoying seeing her. So I had a request to incorporate her in a lot of my videos towards the end, and I guess that's what we'll do. We'll show her at the end playing starting probably tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed this. It is really cute. Like I said, when you make yours, you can put yours closer, and she's wanting to play. But I think this really turned out nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, say bye guys. Say bye.